That is absolutely beautiful. I'm just out here on the bike right now, getting some exercise and really absorbing the beauty of nature. Getting some sunlight on my face, getting my heart rate up, creating some endorphins, releasing some endorphins in my system. And wow, once you get on the bike for about 20 minutes and get your heart rate up, you're gonna feel really good. You're gonna wanna keep biking, and nature just kind of opens up in a way. When you get these endorphins, the feel-good messengers in your system releasing through your system through exercise, nature just looks different. You can take in more of it. You can take in more of the color spectrum, and this is absolutely stunning. So get out there today, get some sunlight. Peace. All right, you guys, I am just out here getting some exercise, taking a breather for a minute. Got my bike here in the background, and check out this spot. This is one of my spots that I like to come to kind of just get away from the insanity of the Matrix and just be around the trees and the elements more. But I hope you guys have a spot like this where you can come. I hope you guys are getting exercise and applying the protocols, so to speak, applying the herbalism. I hope you guys are drinking clean water. I hope you guys have really augmented your lifestyle. There's so many different things that we can begin doing daily to increase the amount of health in our lives. And for as much progress as you can make in one day, it's just as easy if you get on the wrong way of thinking and the wrong path to make a ton of mistakes every day and put yourself back even further. Progress seems to work quicker than backpedaling. When you backpedal, it's easy. What I'm getting at is it's easy to make 10 steps forward and then backpedal and take 30 steps backwards, and then you've got to make up all that lost time. So if you stay on top of your health game and drink the clean water, eat a clean diet, you're just going to make progress. It's going to help your life. You're going to become happier. You're going to become healthier. Your foundation in life, your sense of being grounded is going to increase. These are all very positive virtues, very positive things that all people want. A lot of people get caught up in negative thinking, however, and they think it's so difficult to get on a healthy lifestyle. It's nowhere near as difficult as you're making it. I hear it all the time. I want to eat healthy, but it's just not that easy for me. I've got all this stuff going on. I'm busy. Well, you can make excuses all you want. But what separates the people who get things done from the people who don't is the people who get things done, they don't make excuses. They find ways around the issue. So if you have a hectic lifestyle, there's ways for you to mitigate that. You can prepare foods and put them in the freezer, in the refrigerator, stuff that's healthy that you can have on hand all the time. What my wife and I do often is we'll dedicate one day of the week, like a Sunday or a Saturday, to just making a massive amount of food in bulk, and then when we need it throughout the week, we have it ready. Again, excuses only go so far. Excuses will catch up to you, and you will have to make up a lot of lost time. So I think the thinking processes of most Americans has been conditioned by the Matrix, and a lot of people just like making excuses. They're happy with being sedentary. They're happy with backpedaling. So I'm not here to try to judge. I'm just concerned because I see the sickness everywhere I go. I can see the amount of loss of light in people's eyes. There's no more of that electricity in people's eyes. There's more sickness now here in the Matrix than there ever has been. There's more cancer, autism, mental illnesses, diabetes. It's insane. A lot of this is because of our lifestyle, the way we eat. The Surgeon General will tell you that 70% of disease comes from the food you eat, the air you breathe, and the water you drink. So, just a brief little message, you guys. It's awfully brown out here. I wish it was all green and whatnot, but I'm getting some sunlight on my face. I took some herbs before I came out here. I'm gonna fast tonight until probably about 8 or 9 p.m. And then I'm gonna have some homemade Italian wedding soup with organic spinach and organic carrots and stuff out of the garden, onions out of the garden. Every day I'm doing this. Every day I'm increasing my health. Every day I'm doing little things to increase the amount of connectivity I have to nature. Whether it be me walking on the earth, coming out here in the elements and just sitting and doing some deep breathing, there's all sorts of stuff you guys can begin doing. So I'm just gonna keep riding these trails and adventure. But one of the things I really like about biking, you guys, is that it allows you the opportunity to get outside when you exercise. If you're exercising indoors, there's a good chance that you're just not going to get as much benefit from exercising indoors under alternating current fluorescent lighting that's just destroying your skin, destroying your health. Bad light is horrible for us. Toxic light is just very, very toxic. I'm going to pause this and we'll continue. And continuing, you guys, I'm going to wrap this one up. I just want to try to inspire you guys to get out there today. Cycling is beautiful because, again, I'm under the elements. You're not going to be under, again, fluorescent lighting. Working out indoors is just kind of strange to me. I mean, I'll do yoga indoors from time to time and stretching, but it's just when I cycle or drive by gyms and I look in and see all the people running on the treadmills, it just seems so unnatural to me. Not to mention unhealthy. You're around all that electrical pollution and whatnot. So cycling, I can hear the birds right now, little lizards running around, blue skies, trees everywhere. It's a much more beneficial experience, so to speak. But just riding the Ventana right now. This is a cyclocross bike. It's designed to go on road and in the dirt. So beautiful setup. Love this carbon fork. But peace out, you guys. While you have your eyes closed and you're receiving the sunlight, as you're standing barefoot, look at diet, you've got to look at water. The water people are drinking here in the Matrix, the tap water, is filled full of disinfectant byproducts, cancer-causing agents, fluoride, hydrofluorosilicic acid, hexafluorosilicic acid, pipe residues, inorganic compounds, scaling lime, algicides, cobalts, radioactive constituents, plutonium, parasites. Some of the wastes that are stuck inside of the colonic walls in the lower bowel. So certain eye muscle exercises where you move your eyes in certain direct current energy. So walking barefoot is one of the pinnacle aspects, other than things like collecting rainwater. We can be our own farmers and grow a lot of our own food, ladies and gentlemen. We don't have to resort to buying murdered animals from corrupt organizations and things of that nature. We don't have to consume these foods to have a healthy lifestyle. My health has gone nowhere but up since I became a vegan. Authentic Kundalini awakenings actually stimulate dormant parts of your brain and your physiology, your spinal system, your cerebrospinal fluid, you name it. And when that happens, it just enlightens the gland. The goji berries in it and the schisandra. But I also talk later on in this video about how damaging constituents, and these constituents are known as accumulative poisons. They accumulate over time. and they get lodged in your tissues. They get lodged in your kidneys, your liver, you name it.